Howdy. In this video, we will discuss the options you have to edit your captions in order to ensure they meet the standard of 99% accuracy. We will look at how you can use My Media Site and YouTube to create and edit your captions depending on where your videos are hosted. Earlier, we talked about the need to caption videos for equity in accessing your content, and for students that can use the information in more than one format. No matter what video server you use, we have two options to recommend for creating and editing your captions. If you are using the MediaSite desktop recorder and having your videos automatically uploaded into My Media Site, you can have the IBM Watson program create captions automatically and then edit them to ensure they're accurate. Go to your video in My Media Site. Make sure that you chose under Delivery and Audio Transcriptions the IBM Watson API. If not, go to Edit Details on the right. Select the Delivery tab at the bottom. Check the Audio Transcriptions box and the Choose a Provider for Captioning. Then you can select the IBM Watson API. Make sure to hit Save once you've selected that at the top right. You should get an email telling you those have processed. Go to the Edit Captions link on the right below the Share Presentation button. You should see your video on the right with the captions on the left. You may notice that the captions are not punctuated and there are no capitalizations. One benefit of this service, though, is a glossary. Engineering terms are being added continuously, so the accuracy of the captioning will continue to improve over time. You will need to edit the captions. Edit the text in the captions box on the left. And you can also edit the timing under the video. Make sure that you hit Save once you're done. You may already have your videos on YouTube. YouTube also provides an automatic captioning service. These captions, as you may have guessed, do not meet the accuracy standards. Some videos may only be about 70% accurate. You can edit the automatically generated captions in the YouTube Studio. At the end of the module, you'll find instructions on how you can do that after uploading your video to your Tamu YouTube account. One nice feature in YouTube is that you can upload a text or caption file if you have that available, or cut and paste your script and have YouTube set the timing. To set yourself up for an easy job, start by writing a script before you even record your lecture. Doing that saves you time in editing all the mispunctuation and other grammatical errors you find in the captions that YouTube generates. Once you upload your script, or once YouTube is finished generating the captions, you can go in and edit them. You'll notice that the edit page is very similar to My Media Site. You have the caption text on the left where you can edit the text, and the caption timings below the video you can move or extend. Be sure to save the captions when you're done. YouTube will automatically update the video with your new captions. You also have the ability to download a caption file if you decide to host your video in another location, such as Google Drive. Make sure to reach out to us if you have any questions about creating captions for your lecture videos. And remember to explore the material at the end of this module for more information.